Fair disclosure. Please make sure you are using risk capital if you are trading. Wanting to make your own decisions and protect your capital. It's the lifeblood of your trading business. We talked about perhaps seeing a trend line that is trying to stall. We said make sure you are paid at that before that 18 and a quarter. And there are several reasons for that. This is one of them, looking at this chart, almost a 3-box move. We're starting to run into the declining moving averages as well. So if we take a look, got past the green line, but it's the red line's turn to say, well, I'm not sure we're quite ready to go above me yet. And that's one of the reasons I thought it might be a challenging open to expect too much in either direction. Certainly the short side, tough to expect too much, and also the long side. So we're right to say be conservative on the first punch is long. You know, this hurt yesterday, and we can see already that, you know, for now we need to chop. We need to stop falling before you can start to rise usually. Still very much overdone on the short side. So you can't think of every little wiggle here taking us to new lows. It's going to take some time. It's going to take some time to resolve this. The longs are going to try to defend their turf. And that's from 12 and under, their turf that they don't want to let anybody get closer to it. So the pressure today from yesterday is down, and this may be an attempt at whack-a-mole for a while, and then probably this afternoon a little bit more volatility. So we had suggested think about whack-a-mole as perhaps the game that gets played. And if we get a solid short side trade, okay, fine. You know, that's a benefit, but hit and run has been advised just because of how far we've come from yesterday's high. And if you're looking at yesterday's middle, that's going to be in that 20 area. So really key today will be this blue line coming down this in the gap area. And that's why I've said, let's be conservative and say, make sure you're paid ahead of that 20 gap. And the later gap was a tad higher at 22s. So for now, our low RTH, this area right here, this 12, 1175, we know is going to be a key today. So this is a threshold we want to watch. And anybody who shorts today is going with basically a neutral trend, because yesterday we really had the up, but then the late day sell. But we've taken away a lot of the opportunity to participate because of the overnight range. So we are re-auctioning this zone down here that yesterday didn't get auctioned. And the shorts need to press and get it back here to re-auction this territory that was basically ignored yesterday. So that's the way I'm looking at it, that any excursions down here are welcome, and they are retests of the zone that was ignored yesterday. And still thinking small. It's going to take time to drag all these things down here.